Welcome to Quizlet.com. This is a tool that can be used for critical thinking and problem solving. Quizlet is an online learning tool that has several study modes for students to learn and memorize information by creating sets of data that they can customize to fit their needs. I decided to create a study set of English words with their Spanish translations. And as I entered my words or my terms, it asked me if I wanted to make it in English or any other language and what the study definition would be in what language. So I decided to start with my words in English and make the definition in Spanish. There is audio in 18 languages from English to Spanish to Arabic and Turkish, and you can decide which language you want your words to be read in. As it states, this is perfect for practicing pronunciation or learning vocabulary in any language. Quizlet is very easy to use. You just enter your terms. I did not add images when I first created my terms, and then decided to edit and went back and I added images to each one of the words. When you're deciding on the definition, it will give you a list of words that you can choose. There are many visuals from which to choose because we can use the Creative Commons license photography in the database. If you would like to upload your own visual, you will have to upgrade to a paid subscription. Once you have finished creating your cards, you will be able to choose what kind of game or study mode you would like to use. This is a space race. You can't see, but the potato is going away from the screen and you have a certain amount of time to get enough points. You have to write down the word that it's asking you for. In scatter mode, you must match the picture or the Spanish word with the English word. In test mode, you decide what kind of question types you want, and you can start in either language if you have more than one language. In learn mode, you type the word that the picture or the Spanish word is showing you. In speller word, as written, it's simple, just type what you hear. And in card mode, you have the flashcard, and you click to flip it for the definition. The computer also tells you what the word is. This part is also auditory. It'll say the word to you. When you flip it, you can hear the word that is on the screen. In order to use this tool, you must know how to type, and you must have the content that you want to study. You must have a microphone and access to the internet. It is very easy to create an account. It usually just takes one click if you are on Facebook or on Google, which is what I usually prefer. I can see many uses for this tool. Since I teach ESL, bilingual education and reading, my students could use this to make many different sets depending on what we are learning. I can imagine colors, numbers, farm animals, and such for my kindergartners, high-frequency words for my first graders, social studies situations for my second graders, and of course academic language for all, particularly my third through fifth graders. As I look at the many sets already created, I know that I could use this tool today. I highly recommend this tool and feel that the only drawbacks might be that since it is mainly a memorization tool, as flashcards usually are, deep critical thinking might be lacking. Also, since these are all user-created, some sets might not be accurate and there are a few which might be questionable or inappropriate. As with every tool, preview first.
Created using Powtoon.